Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of kitchen technology, the Gourmia French door air fryer oven. This incredible device is about to revolutionize the way you cook and think about healthy eating. With its sleek design and powerful features, it's an absolute game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this product so special. First off, the sheer capacity of this air fryer oven is impressive. The XL 37 quart space is perfect for large families or for those who love to entertain. Imagine being able to fit a 13-inch pizza, multiple sheet pans, or up to 9 slices of toast at once. This isn't just about convenience. It's about bringing people together with delicious, homemade meals without the hassle of cooking in batches. The spacious interior also allows for more versatile cooking, from roasting a whole chicken to baking a large cake. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, it's all contained within a compact, countertop design that won't overwhelm your kitchen. Now, let's talk about the 12 preset cooking functions that come with this amazing device. From air frying to baking, toasting, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, and even making popcorn, the versatility of the Gourmia French door air fryer oven is unparalleled. Each function is carefully calibrated to ensure perfect results every time, whether you're a culinary novice or an experienced chef. The digital display is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to select the right preset for your dish and get cooking. This level of flexibility means you can explore a wide range of cuisines and cooking techniques without needing a collection of separate appliances, saving you space and money. One of the standout features of this product has to be the FryForce 360 degrees technology. Imagine achieving that perfect, crispy exterior and tender interior on your fries, chicken, or vegetables without drowning them in oil. This technology uses hot air circulation to cook your food evenly, with little to no oil required. Not only is this a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods, but it's also incredibly easy to clean up afterward.